So yes, that's pretty much the song. I won't really go much into a breakdown on this particular song, but I'll just show you guys a few things that I did. I just keep the drum simple. The way I did it was I basically focused on a little motif. Basically what a motif is just like a certain pattern in the song that you just decide this is the pattern I'll build around. So that's what I did with my drums. I'll just play them now. And I just kept it like that, and I built off those that sound, and I added more sounds on top. For example, I added these where the hi-hat. Yeah, I sort of built even this like this sound on top of that as well. So it goes like this. And then I layered this sound on top of like my open hat, so it sounds like this. And I think the basic idea is just try to, like, if you make a drum sound, instead of thinking too much about how you make the pattern for a melody sound, you can just literally copy the same notes from the drums, and it just makes them hit a little bit harder. Afterwards, I added a drone sound. And added this sound. It's just a bunch of snares. More than one snare. Just loops. Notice the snares are just like sort of following the pattern. Just added this little sound, just a pluck sound. For the log drum, I just kept the log drum simple because I didn't want to overcomplicate it. It was just a private school log. And that's it. There's not much to this. Honestly, guys, there's not much to it. It could be better, but anyway, that's something for another day. Then just a simple closed hat on top of that. Then obviously we get the shakers in towards the drop as well. And here's my log drums. Put a bit of attack on that, and I shifted as well so that the kick as well has space, just so they don't play at the same time. So it sounds like this. Then I added a second log drum here. I found this weird sound, and I just wanted to make like a melody out of it, just to take in more space as well. I used this string just at the top. It's just playing I can barely hear it, but yeah, I use that on the top, and I use this as well. It just adds a bit more energy. And that's pretty much it, guys. So hope this was beneficial. FLP will be in the comments. Leave a like on your way out, and thank you so much. See you in the next video.